Hey guys, I'm Jalisia. Welcome back to my channel. Over here we talk about all things fashion. We also talk about beauty, lifestyle, and handbags. So Dior is under investigation for labor exploitation, and this is really, it's surprising, but at the same time it's not surprising because everyone knows in the fashion industry, this is a common thing in the fast fashion industry. But to also have this in the designer section of fashion, it's pretty crazy and it's also pretty greedy. But let me just get into the details. So basically, 4 factories are under investigation for poor working conditions. So also 9 out of 32 of the workers, they did not even have valid residency permits, and then they were also in very just bad health and hygiene conditions. These factory workers were also working in the factories 24 hours a day, including nights, holidays, the whole bit. The staff lived in poor health and hygiene conditions that is actually like below the ethical requirement. But also they can charge 53 euros and sell a bag for 2,600 euros. Yes, so all this just so they can have a bag made for 53 euros just to sell the bag for 2,600 euros. So that is just preposterous because I mean Dior has more than enough money to pay their workers properly and to put them in the best environment so they can work fairly and happily, but they're trying to get the costs down so cheap. And then Dior is actually one of the brands that has been skyrocketing in price like crazy. Dior and Chanel. I mean, because I think that Dior is also up there in price, but Jesus, like all of this, and it's just pure greed. It's just pure greed. And it's just like at this point, also the whole point why people shop designer, like including myself, yes, is because of the quality, but it's also kind of like a peace of mind that we know that this doesn't include like child labor or unfair ethical practices. This is very disappointing. What is the point in paying these prices if the people who are making it and the people who are on the back end is not getting paid fairly? Like, so why are we paying these price tags? And then I mean, for me, like a lot of my bags I have bought secondhand, which I love. I feel like you can find things that are not selling right now, or you can find things at a better price. I love getting my stuff secondhand, but for people who like to buy their items new and they're paying that premium top dollar price. I mean, a Lady Dior in the small size right now, I'm pretty sure it goes for about 6,000. And then the Dior saddle right now goes for about 4,200. So after tax with the Dior saddle, basically that's around 4,500 after tax here in Florida. And then it's just like, what, $4,500, and these are the conditions. I mean, I don't know, I just feel like as a consumer it's also kind of not to say we aren't supposed to feel anyway like in this as far as like personally, but it's just like kind of disappointing and also like embarrassing, because the whole reason why some people shop designer, and then not to say like we know that the fashion industry, I know that the fashion industry, like it can be very skewed, but in the designer section, this is what's not supposed to be happening. Like, this is not surprising in fast fashion, but designer? Like, what? So, okay. Okay. So, and then also, like, let me know what you guys' thought process is at this point. Like, let me know if maybe you just want to do contemporary brands right now. Like, let me know what you're thinking. Like, do you, like, are there still some designer bags that you want to get? Like, do you think that, like, at this point there's like there's no point in paying all this money? Because I mean, obviously it ain't going to a good cause. It's just really just going straight into their pockets.
Hey guys, so I did just want to say real quick, when I asked this question, I'm not judging or anything, because honestly, I had two Dior bags that like I really have wanted to get. I'm probably just gonna get one out of the two, and they are used. They're not super like new styles or like anything new that has been produced. But yes, just wanted to let you guys know that no judgment at all.
Like, they're not, like, I need to see, I feel like, to make me feel better, some I need to see some happy factory workers somewhere, like from Dior. Like, and I need it to be like a pop-up situation. Like, I need whoever is investigating them to pop up at a factory, because I need to see some kind of happiness with somewhere. Like, even if it's a slither, like, are you okay? Like, do they look like they being fed? Like, now I'm like I need to really, really, really see it in order for me to yeah, guys, this is like kind of, this is heartbreaking. And like I said, it's not surprising, but it's still surprising because you don't expect this from designer brands and like premium brands. Like, let me know if this is going to change your, I guess, like, shopping habit, or what you purchase in the future, or what brands you purchase from. Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.